birthday po. Maraming salamat po sa walang sawang pag-aalaga sa boys namin. God bless and more blessings to come po.
Jinky, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day. Kahit naka-quarantine pa rin tayo. Stay safe. Lagi mag-alcohol. And more gigs to come.
Hello, Mamu. Happy birthday. Siyempre sa likod ng successful ng Silent Sanctuary, nandyan ang isang Mamu na katulad nyo po. Thank you sa pag-aalaga nyo sa mga idol namin, and hope na more birthday to comes pa po, and we love you.
Happy birthday, Mamu Jinky.
Hi, Mamu. Happy birthday po. Ingat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mamu. Happy birthday, Mamu Jinky. God bless po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mamu. Take care. God bless.
Happiest birthday, Mamu. Thank you for the friendship, and ipinagpe-pray ko po kay God na sana bigyan pa kayo ng mahabang buhay, abundant blessings, at syempre mabuting kalusugan. Miss na miss ko na po kayo. Hope to see you soon, Mamu. I love you.
Hi, Ma'am Jinky. Happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo lagi, ma'am, and God bless po.
Happy birthday po, Mamu Jinky. And ingat po kayo palagi. Tsaka, God bless you po.
Hi, Ma'am Jinky. Happy birthday po. More blessings to come. Ingat po palagi. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Mamu. I wish you good health po. And sana matapos itong pandemic, sana magka-reunion po along with the SS. We miss you na po along with the SS fam.
Hey, Mamu. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Miss na miss ko na po kayo. Ingat po kayo parati, pati po yung family. And see you soon po. God bless po.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.